Hello, my name is Tasha Lewis Chain, however my Vibe Tribe calls me the TLJ, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to one of my newest segments and newest sessions on the channel, Man in the Arena, all about the battle to maintain your weight after weight loss, which is what I am dealing with right now, and I know there's a ton of you out there dealing with the same thing. Whether, again, when I did my intro 2 weeks ago, whether it's however you lost weight, we still all have the same battle. Doesn't matter how we did it, but we did it. We got to our goal weight, and now it's the most terrifying piece. It's maintaining that weight. Again, no matter how you did it, GLP, gastric sleeve, gastric bypass, Weight Watchers, calorie deficit, however you've lost the weight, you did it. And now it's the most terrifying factor, maintaining. And so, as one of my favorite people on earth, my older sister says, when it comes to weight loss and maintaining your weight, by any means necessary. And that means doing the hard work. And one of the hard work things that we have to do is stay hydrated, is drink water. And everybody thinks it's something easy when water is not your favorite thing. It's not. And here are some of my tips and what I do for hydration and just to stay hydrated and try to get in those 60 ounces of water that we're being told we have to do. For me, it's all based on you. Maybe it's 45, maybe it's 75. We're all individuals, but the benchmark is 60 ounces plus of water. And what do? Here are some of the tools for when I'm doing terrible on water. And here are just some of the products that I use. I'm not selling anything. Again, none of my videos, and there are 120 videos plus in my arsenal and all the sessions, nothing is sponsored. This is all passion work for me and sharing my knowledge. And so these are just things that I use, that I love, not sponsored whatsoever. So the first one is Ultima Replenisher. You can get it at everywhere, Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, online, Amazon, they all have it. And here is the one, the flavor that I like. It is pink lemonade, and it's electrolytes. And that's what I use when I'm like, I just need that flavor and I need some extra hydration because I've done a bad job. I always go to this. My other powder, all right, it is True Lemon Strawberry Lemonade. And these are the packets. I just add a packet to my water. Another trick is my Yeti. Some of you are Stanley girls, some of you are Yeti girls, some of you are whatever you can find, free with promotion. Doesn't matter. For me, this is my trusted Yeti. I've had her for probably 3 years. She's traveled everywhere from Barcelona to Paris. She's been on with me in my hand, in my purse, traveling with me. And this is my trusted Yeti, and I use her. And then my other one is my backup Yeti, and then there's another one. Sorry, I'm a content creator. We always have to get it in another color. So it's in burgundy, because I'm a pink and burgundy girl. So it's in burgundy, and this one has the straw. So this is my backup, so that I have different forms, and it's pretty. I'm a girl. I love fashion, so my Yetis are going to be colorful. They're going to be cute. Might be your Stanley that's cute or colorful that you want to use. Find something that you want to use. So this one has a handle. This one doesn't. And then my last trick that I use for myself to get me to drink water. Hold on 1 second. Let me grab it. All right. My last trick to stay hydrated, coconut water. Again, it's an acquired taste. For me, it's half regular water, half the coconut water, and sometimes it could be a cup full of it to get that hydration in, but that is my last trick. My supplements to get the water flavor tasting right and giving me electrolytes, the Ultima. When I'm good and I just need that extra push and a little bit of vitamin C, the True Lemon Strawberry Lemonade. And my other trick, a cool water bottle. And final, the clutch. In the clutch for my hydration and keeping me hydrated when I just cannot drink down water, coconut water. And this is the Iberia organic. Doesn't matter. I've even used the Trader Joe's one that is very good. The Whole Food 365 one, very good as well. And this is just the one because I did my online order and this is what they had. This is great as well. But that is my final trick to getting myself hydrated through, again, one of the tips they always say, stay hydrated. That helps with your maintenance. And then the next one, I'm taking you outside. We're coming out of my office and we're going outside. How do I ensure I get my steps and my walking path? I love to go outside. When I did Hard 75 to get prepared for my my trip, one of my trips to Paris, and I wanted to just be able to do the 20,000 steps, the walking and everything else, I said, all right, let me start. Not only am I doing my workout in the mornings, let's add a walk to end my day. And so I'm going to take you on my walk and what I do, what I use as far as the sneakers I wear for my walk and my little fan when I need it and what I wear and my tricks, how I trick my brain into making sure I'm doing 3 to 4 miles on my walk and my commitment to my walk. And then we're going to take my walk with me so that you help get you motivated for your walk. And when I can't walk because of the weather, I live in Florida, June is rainy season, I go to my gym and I do my walk on the treadmill. So I will see you in the next Man in Arena session when we are how to get your walk in and how to not only be motivated, get the discipline for your walk.